What's up, guys? Today we have 153.13 billion tech coins, and with those tech coins, we will be buying this. This egg! It's not the normal one. It's the one hidden in the secret bunker that costs 10 million on the 1 billion tech coins. I didn't have that one else for me. So here we can see this is the normal glitched egg, and that's the gold normal glitched egg. But no, we will be hatching the better ones. We will be hatching this one, the normal glitched egg. But what our goal is to hatch that huge one, or a 404 demon, or a Haxalotl. We've hatched one, but just look, where here. See, we've hatched 3 axolotls, but they're really not that good. We can give away some. We have 3, so 3 likes equal 3 giveaways. Okay, I will be giving away. Okay, anyway, so we also turned up all of our boosts. If you saw my videos, here this one you can see ultra lucky. There's 3 hours, and this one is 6 hours 50 minutes, this one 8 hours 38 minutes, and this one 5 hours 8 minutes. So they're all hours, and it's gonna cost a ton. And it costs a ton, but our huge is to get our goal is to get a 4-4 demon or a half cat, a giant one. So that's all we need. Big games, if you're watching this, please turn on my lucky boosts. Okay. Let's turn auto hatch on. Let's see. But Haxagator is not that good. What we need is for demon. Come on, turn on my lucky boost. We can give away some, but that are new to the game and you're watching this video, the legendary Axolotl. Yeah, but we're going to get some nails. Thank you for turning on my boost again. The owner of the game. Okay, anyway. The cool one. You turned on my. No, tell me you have the part. Wow. I disabled, so now if I get an epic, it deletes. So that'll count me. Legendaries, mythicals, and so the ones I'm getting right now, epic or rare, are deleting. See? Wait. This video is going to be kind of long. This video is going to be kind of long because we've got a ton, not much. I'm not going to say that much, but but we also gets a giant cat. And our next video, because this is part 1, remember, and next video, me getting 1 trillion and finally 1 trillion tech coins. With 1 trillion tech coins, we will be opening 10 of these. We will be opening 10 one of these. These are the ones that I need the giant house. I swear, if I get it right now, that's cool. What I can do. I'm tired of hearing boo. See, when I get tired of hearing it. There, no volume. Better. So anyway, yeah, we'll just keep on hatching until we end. And we only got 2 axolotls, but that are kind of expensive. Come on. Axolotl! Let's go! Let's go! Anyway, another hacked raccoon! This is getting ridiculous. I turned on all my boosts just to get epics, 3 axolotls, and that. Come on! We need a axolotl or a 4-4 demon. Come on! At least a 4-4 demon at the end of this video. We need one, or at least a giant hack. Oh, come on. 6 minutes, 30 seconds on this video, and still nothing. Only 3 axolotls. That's basically nothing. Oh, come on. I wish that I can turn on the boost and I could get something good. But all I'm getting is haxigators, or axolotls. Oh, come on, bro. This has to end. We need to get something good. Okay. So our next video with 1 trillion tech coins will be kind of hard. Me minding it, carving, and also opening them all. Come on, why? Wait, that means if I can go. You know what I'm gonna do with the axolotls? I'm just gonna make them gold. If I can't do anything else with them, what else will I do? Yeah, bro. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. At least we got axolotls. I mean, not really much what I asked, but if they just give it to me, that's fine. So by next video, we will get 1 trillion tech coins, and we must hatch something good. So yeah, that's gonna be done. And quickly, just watch me turn it gold. Let's go to shop. Let's see here. Make golden sets. Let's just make this golden. Ooh, I thought I was gonna fail that. Hey, now we have a axolotl gold. I'm giving that away, and I'm also giving away this after axolotl. Like 2.56 trillion damage. And I'm also giving away this hellish. As you know, my short that only got 3 views. Only got 3 views. That's garbage. Those 2 other people that watched the video, please, thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like every video you see of mine. Because we want to get past 20 subscribers. Past 19. Yeah. We're giving away this and this. Like if you want it. Bye. See you in part 2.